What's good, y'all? Man, it's your boy Kippolized. Welcome back to the channel. It is a lovely morning on a good old Saturday, October 4th, man. We're getting closer and closer to that Christmas time. We're now in fall season, man. One of my favorite times of the year. Unfortunately, I live in Florida, so I'm not getting that fall vibe. But if you are living up in Tennessee, if you're up north and you're getting all the brown leaves, that dark, you know what I'm saying, dark vibey weather, congratulations to you. Must be nice, because out here I'm getting sun, rain, and not what I want to be getting, you know what I'm saying? Ooh. Look at that Porsche. Oh my gosh, that baby's clean, low-key. Ignore that, but wow, I think it's clean. But anyways, man, right now I'm heading to, if you guys see my last video, or if you didn't see my last video, my car went to the shop, right? And so, in contrary to that part of the title, I went apartment tour shopping. So I'm actually on another tour. It's actually the tour is at 10:30. So I'm leaving right now. Well, I'm almost there. I'm actually like what, 7 minutes away now. So on the way to the apartment tour, I'm gonna check it out, and then that'll be the last tour I get. And then unfortunately, I don't have my fiance with me today. It's just gonna be me. I'm gonna FaceTime her when I get there, and I'm gonna record the video of when I'm out there and add it to the clips on this video. So yeah, man, unfortunately she's not here with me, but we're gonna decide between the ones we toured. So you guys only seen me tour 2 in the last video. We actually toured 3. I forgot to add the 3rd one into the video, but it's whatever. Actually, I'll add it into this video right here before we show the other ones. But yeah, we're gonna get one more tour in, and then we're gonna make a decision on where do we want to move, because it's coming soon, within probably like the next 6 months or so. Boys and girls will be seeing us in our new crib together, you know, making big moves. So it's really exciting, really exciting. Honestly, most people are getting nervous. Most people are like, ooh, like, be in between their mind, like, is this the right decision? Am I making the right decision? Or no, not me. I'm ready. God has been like, oh yeah, verse of the day. I'm gonna add that in here as well. But God has been telling me, God has been showing me that it's my time, that I am ready, that the patience that I am enduring right now, so that time can come whenever we can move in, it'll be all worth it, bro. Overall, hope you guys are having a great day. Hope you guys do enjoy this video, because tonight we're also going to a pretty dope car meet, as you see in the thumbnail, as you see in the title. It also has a rev match, so we're gonna see how that goes. Your boy's gonna enter the rev match. So I might not win if a car is shooting flames, but I can sure enough give myself some publicity. Hold on, let me show you guys. Cause I'm gonna throw on this plate signed by Aiden and Parker. But yeah, man, can't wait. But hope you guys do enjoy the video. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys do enjoy, drop a comment down below what your favorite part of the video was, and if you guys like the apartment, let me know. But yeah, man, enjoy. Oh man, this car is so fun, bro. Early in the morning pulls, just be rowdy in some neighborhoods for a little second. Oh man, I love this car. I do. Can't wait to build another one. Can't wait, man. Can't wait. No, I really can't wait to get a truck, bro. I'm telling you, the vision, the dreams I've been having of a truck, trailer, and race car setup, bro, going to like different events. I just can't wait, dog. I can't. Be a little noise. what's good, y'all, man? It's been a couple hours since that last clip. I hope you guys enjoyed the small little apartment tour, man. It's nothing too crazy, it's too fancy, but it is, or it could be, me and my fiance's future home, man. So it was definitely lovely. It was definitely a vibe, man. I'm just ready, dog. I'm just ready to make that move. Like I said, being patient. That's the main thing I've really been patient on. But man, patience be killing me sometimes, bro. Especially when you know like something is finna happen. You know exactly what's finna happen. You know exactly what's to come. But you just have to be patient and wait for it, man. That'd be the hardest part sometimes, dog. But you know what? When it comes and God says it's that time, it's gonna be that time, bro. It's gonna be amazing. It's gonna be a blessing, dog. It's gonna be a new future for me. It's gonna be a lot more for you guys as well. For anybody who's been watching consistently for a while, it's gonna be a lot new for you guys as well, because I'm gonna have her on the channel. It's gonna be a whole different scenery, and like I said, just things are elevating into a higher direction, bro. And it's a blessing to see, man. God has been blessing me. God has been, been great to me. He always has. God has always been great to me, man. So I'm just trying to be righteous, do the best thing I can every single day, be excellent every single day, so I can continue to be rewarded for that. But yeah, man, on the way to the car meet now. It is a rev competition going on there, so I'm going to enter for that. I'm leaving now because it's 6:31. The car meet starts at 6. It's an hour away, so I'm trying to get there at like 7:30. Not too late, not too early. Just enough time to get there so I can see like, okay, it's 7:30. This how many cars are out here, so I can know if it's worth staying or not. Then I'm gonna sign up for the the rev competition. You know what I'm saying? Maybe I can do something good. I'm not expecting myself to win, especially if somebody shooting flames. But you know what? It's gonna have fun, and hey, it's $10 that you're putting in, and then it goes to the winner. So I do not mind putting $10 in somebody's pocket. That could be gas money, that could be food money, who knows? But hope you guys enjoyed the video so far, man. But yeah, now we can actually get into some cars and into some fun. So stay tuned.
And I'm telling you as a man, if you ain't gonna stand on your 10 toes and tell me about what the fuck you did, what the fuck you wrong for, I don't need more if you told me the truth, nigga, what you lying for.
Yo, what's good, y'all, man? Just made it to the spot. It's small. It's definitely small. I'm not really sure if the hour drive is worth coming out here, but I'm already here, so I'll walk around and show you guys some cars. Ooh, why are you not in Gatlinburg, good sir, or good ma'am? We got us a cool little bagged 370Z over here. This thing is tough. Got us a, C5 Z06. This thing's clean. What else we got over here? We got us a, what is it, 1LT? Turbo Miata. Oh, we got the not G8, the Chevy SS with the Magnuson blower. This thing's definitely clean. I'm always checking this one out, showing love to it, because you never really see Chevy SS's nowadays, bro. Got the Cam Chevy Capri. Oh, they over there jamming. Now what scares me is I see that fat intercooler. This thing got to be turbo. That's my guess. Either it's twins, maybe twins, or a single. That's my guess. This thing's clean though. Bro even got a spoiler. Bro's definitely moving. Then we have a cool little C5. 2 C5s actually. One of these got to be boosted. I'm not convinced. This one don't even have an exhaust. These got to be boosted. There's no way. Got the play. Thing sounds insane, bro. Got us that Pontiac. Got a Camaro. Is Gen 4 F-body. The LS1. There we go. Finally, now we got some. Finally, we got some. I was just so this is bro. What? Type? I feel it. I feel it. You know what? LS can fit in anything nowadays, so I'm not surprised. Yo, this is actually tough though. I think I've seen this before. It looks familiar, but yeah, that's tough. Yeah, that thing sounds good. It's a good. Are y'all tuning? You tuning? You tuning while you out here? Hey, how much? Load mono 2. Want to shoot some flames? Let's do it. The 5-0 for the plot. That thing sounds insane. That thing sounds insane, bro.
Okay. You got some competition over here, bro. All right, go ahead, Pika. Two, one, go. Spot. The pole is up. I know.
Bro, what is going on right now? I'm hearing you chop. Who's chopping? Everybody out here shoots flames, huh? So, apparently everybody out here shoots flames except for me. Okay. Yeah, I had there's still people revving, dog. Yeah, I had no chance of winning that one. Come over here, got the Mopar boys pulled up over here for the one time. Oh, they pulled up deep too. Got the wide body. Oh yeah, these boys pulled up deep. Not gonna lie, I think I like the Beamer more than all the Mopars though.
All right, Dylan, go ahead. All right, second round, both y'all gonna go for it, all right? Ready, set, go.
All right, y'all, man, that's enough cars revving and loud exhaust. Okay, let me roll my windows up so I can actually talk to y'all, man. Ooh. Anyways, I'm going to end the video off there. I hope you guys did enjoy. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Drop a comment down below what car that you love seeing the flames out of the most. Because, man, them cars were insane. I think the Z is my first favorite, but Pika the Mustang is my second. I'm always seeing him. I have 3 videos with him in my thumbnail. That's how much I love his car. And he's going to be the thumbnail of this video too, man. But, again, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Drop a comment down below. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And, yeah, man, I love this car game, bro. Stay blessed. God bless you, bro. Make sure you pray tomorrow and wake up. Positive vibes, positive energy. Love y'all, man. Have a good night.